Thank you very much. First of all, I do have a presentation with very little words, so I would like to introduce my company first for those of you that don't know about it. CTS Cashpro has been manufacturing teller cash recyclers since 1996. It's an Italian company, and Mark may not have put it on his presentation on the funny slides, but out of the 6 manufacturers that he showed, we actually manufacture for 3 of them. So we are very well known in the market. We have around 35,000 units deployed worldwide, and our main strength is our manufacturing and research and development. We have over 200 people dedicated just to improve and create new products. But apart from talking about new products, let's talk about something that we've been hearing here all morning. We've been hearing about recycling cash, how that optimizes the amount of cash in circulation, how this is the future. We are listening a lot about this closed cash cycle and how that benefits everybody. Let's talk about this in a way that everybody can understand it, and you will see how easy this is to implement. Let's think about a very simple branch. And if we consider the traditional branch and how it's traditionally set up, you have the front office with your tellers, and you have the back office with your vault. You have a couple of machines to do your sorting, your counting, etc., and people working in the back office. That guy in blue there must be the head cashier, who is responsible of all the movements of cash. And as we've heard, every time that cash is moved in and out of the branch, or even it's moved from the main vault to the front office, you have to count and validate the money again. Now, what you do is you have to do buys-ins, buys-outs, you have the teller limits, which provokes that you're moving cash constantly and everything is done manually. And you have to think that you already have a fantastic system. Your banking application is capable of so much more. However, you are constrained because most of the operations have to be done manually. You are just putting into your system something that you've manually count and validate. Now, what happens when you have the traditional branch? We have teller limits. That provokes that your teller can't have a certain amount of cash and has to go back and forth constantly. You have manual inventories, both in front office and in back office. Your planning and execution is disconnected. You know how much money you have at the start of the day, you know how much money you have at the end of the day, and that's basically it.